everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I always do my night skincare routine. So I've actually videoed this quite a number of times, this nighttime video skincare routine, but I feel like there's a lot of things like maybe the lighting and the camera and everything, it's just not at the right position. So today I tried again to film it again. Yeah, so let's get started. So first, if I want to remove my makeup, usually I will use this one. This is from Laneige Perfect Pore Cleansing Oil. So it's actually a cleansing oil. Before that I always use the Shu Yumura one, but I feel like it's too pricey, and then I came across this one, so I give it a try, and so I kind of like it. It actually works similar as the Shu Yumura one. So I've been using this for almost, I guess, like 1 year. Yeah, so I think it's quite good, so that's why I continue using it. This is like my second or third bottle. So what I always do is after when I want to remove my makeup, I just pump it like 3 times if it is a heavy makeup. So I'll just put it on my hand and like just rub everything gently on my face and on my neck area, because I put foundation on my neck area as well, and just gently. And after you rub it, I always use this as well. This is like a silicone brush, but it's for pores. So what I do is after I put the cleansing oil, so I just do it in a circular motion, brush it, especially around my nose area and my cheek area, and basically everywhere. Okay, everywhere. And then after that, I use a bit of like warm water, and then I warm it up just a little bit. You warm it up, and then you massage your face again. So I kind of massage my face for like maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and make sure your mascara, eyeliner has been removed off. For those people who doesn't like cleansing oil, maybe they feel like even after they wash it like so many times, it's still oily. I have another tips for you guys. What I usually do is, first, you might want to make sure that the water is lukewarm water. Then you use this kind of like sponges, facial sponge. You wet it with the lukewarm water, just squeeze the remaining water, kind of like wipe your face with this one, so a few times, and then you rinse it again, and then you wipe it again. So after like 2 to 3 times, and then you realize it's not so oily anymore, and first you must use lukewarm water first and rinse it off again, and then you change the water, switch the water to a cold water, wash your face with cold water again. After that, I will be using toner. I've been using this toner from Kiehl's. It has been like ever since I started university, I've been using this, and this is so good. This is the toner from Kiehl's is the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, and it's alcohol free. So last time I used to have a lot of pimples on my face, and it is so sensitive, and I get like redness on my face very easily, and I've been using this ever since, and I feel like this is one of the products that helps with my pimples and everything. Because what last time I always do is I put it in a cotton pad, and I just leave it like a mask. I just put it like all over my face, like treat it as a face mask, and I leave it for like 30 minutes. Okay, it's actually helped to reduce the redness on my face and to kind of like moisturize my face as well. So this is really good. Yeah, so after I use toner, I use this facial treatment essence from SK2. This is very good as well. So what I do, I don't use cotton pad, I just pour it on my hand like so, a few drops, and then I just tap it on my face and on my neck area as well. So this is very good. I've been using this like for quite some times as well, like a few years already. And the good thing about this, okay, this is a something like a rice water. So what does rice water do to your face? It actually will brighten up your face. You'll feel the difference after that. Your face just feel more like light up, that kind, like the inner glow of your skin. Okay, and then it's kind of like to prep your skin also for the next skincare that you're gonna put it on your face. So this time around, I'm using this eye cream from Lancome. this is pretty good but quite pricey. But for the eyes, I always try to use the quite high-end products because I always remember what my mom always tell me that you always have to protect around your eyes area because that is the place where you get wrinkles the fastest, and also your neck area. So after that, I use this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Serum. Okay, this is good as well. I've been using basically the things that I'm using today. I've been using it for like years. I feel like it's like all the goodness into one. Put it all over your neck area as well. This is good for especially anti-aging. If you are 25 and above, you should consider using those products that has anti-aging properties in it. And then after that, I use this one from the Body Shop. Is their Drops of Youth Concentrate. It's also a serum. Okay, this one more to moisturizing my face. Yeah, so this is good to moisturize your face deeper. So these are the two serums that I use. So usually at night I'll use more like oilier moisturizer, those for dry skin people. And for your information, I have an oily combination types of skin, but at night I'm using a heavier moisturizer. That means like those moisturizer that is actually more suit for people who have dry skin, because I feel like I'm sleeping in an air conditioned room, so it doesn't matter if I use a heavier type of creamier type of moisturizer. So usually I use the one from Laneige, their moisturizer, the cream moisturizer from Laneige, but I ran out of it and I haven't buy it, so I replace it with whatever I have at home. I replace it with this another products from Laneige, the Water Band Moisture Essence. So I use it as moisturizer basically. Okay, and to something kind of like sealed off the serum that I've already put on my face. And then moving on, I always use this also. I've been using this for quite some time. It's from Clarins. This is their Extra Firming Neck Anti-Wrinkle Rejuvenating Cream. So this one is only for neck area. Okay, and I've been using this for like 1 year plus as well. As you age, I like to prevent my signs of anti-aging or wrinkles as well. Next is this one from Kiehl's. Is their Breakout Control Blemish Treatment Facial Lotion. So this one basically you don't put it for your whole face. I put it only if let's say I have pimple, I just put it on that pimple spot area. Lastly, I use this lip balm from Vaseline. Okay, I've been using this for years as well. I tried many types of lip balm, but I feel like this is the best of the best of the best that I tried. Usually I use the original one, but recently I tried this the cocoa butter one, and I feel like this is so much better. I don't know why. Is it because of the cocoa inside? I have another tip for you guys is, if let's say you guys purchase such a big bottles of moisturizer, what I do is I transfer it into this kind of mini containers to prevent frequent exposure to the air for this big container one. Firstly is for hygiene purposes, secondly is to prevent exposing the cream into the air. I feel like it will kind of making it turn bad easily. Yeah, that's basically it for my night skincare video. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy whatever I share with you guys. I don't have the best skin in the world because sometimes I'll be lazy to put all these things, but I promise you guys, if you guys put all this skincare regularly, you guys will see the result and the difference to your skin. Because during this quarantine period, I tried to kind of keep putting my skincare regularly day and night, and it really makes a lot of difference to my skin. It feels smoother and brighter, and you just feel better like when you see your skin like that way. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and see you again. Bye.